what's up guys, hope everyone is doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be walking you through on the things that you can do to turn your fear into fuel this year guys. But before I get into the video guys, I just want to take this opportunity to wish you guys a happy new year. I want to take this opportunity guys to say happy new year to you, your friends and your close friends and your people that are close to you, you know. I want to say guys, happy new year, and may this year be a better year than last year, and may you continue to want more, you know, in this year, and may you continue to be positive about yourself, and may you continue to be grateful for what you get this year. And yeah, so guys, let's get into the video on the things that you can do to turn your fear into fuel this year. And if you guys do find the video helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't guys, comment down below if you have any comments guys, and without wasting much of your time guys, let's get into the video. Justin Bigere. Every day is a chance to get better, here to uplift, inspire, educate. Let's go. This is basically the things that I've been able to use in my own life, and as an individual these are the things that I've been able to also implement in my own life. So it's not like something that like I'm not using or something that I just like was able to do a research and then start talking to you guys. No, basically it's something that I'm also working on, and the things that I'm actually using myself. And yeah, the number one thing that you can do to turn your fear into fuel this year guys is identify your fear. If you wanna overcome your fear, the thing that I've been able to know that is actually working is that identify your fear. Know the thing that you really want to do but then you are afraid, you know, the thing that you really want to do but then you are afraid. Identify it, right? For me personally, my fear I was able to identify, right? Okay, I want to make videos, you know, I want to make YouTube videos, and I want to be able to talk to people that I don't know, and that is like talking to strangers, right? So I was able to identify my fear, and that was like talking to strangers. So me identifying my fear, I was able to know, okay, this is the thing that I really want to do but then I'm afraid, you know. That's the number one thing you can do to turn your fear into fuel. Second thing that you can do to turn your fear into fuel guys is build momentum, right? Build momentum. So as like me, I want to make videos and like I'm afraid, like I'm shy, or let me not say shy, but then I have the fear to talk to strangers, right? I was able to identify my fear, and the second thing is to build momentum. So I already know my fear is that talking to strangers, I have a fear of talking to strangers. I finished identify it. The second thing that I can do is that build momentum. So how am I going to overcome this fear of talking to strangers? And for me, that was to build momentum. Each and every day I talk to one person. Each and every day I talk to one person, right? The first day I'll talk to one person, the second day I'll talk to the two people, the third day I'll talk to three people. As days are going by, and I'm going to increase the amount of people that I talk to each and every day. And this will also go to the this will also go when I go out there and make YouTube videos, right? So I'll talk to one person, the second day I'll talk to two. Like as the days going by, I increase the amounts of people that I talk to, and that was build momentum. So, and this is actually helping, you know, as someone who's like doing YouTube and talking to strangers, it actually helping, and I'm actually able to see progress in myself, right? In terms of like talking to people that I don't know. I recently uploaded a YouTube video where I was like vlogging, and I was just like talking to strangers, and that vlog really opened my eyes and showed me like, you know, I can be able to achieve anything that I want to achieve, you know. And that's why I'm making this video. If you want to turn your fear into fuel this year guys, the number one thing that you can do is identify your fear first, you know. Identify your fear. Once you identify your fear, everything will be sorted and everything will be easy to achieve. And the third thing that you can do guys to turn your fear into fuel is celebrate your progress. I often see this in like majority of people and in the community, that majority of us are not like, we don't want to celebrate the small wins, you know. And I feel like this is going to delay you achieve the thing that you want to achieve, you know. This is going to delay you to overcome that fear that you want to overcome, right? The number one thing that you can do, as I was saying, I'll go out there and talk to one person. When I come home, I will celebrate. I'll be like, wow, was I able to do that? I mean, I can do two, you know. I go out there again and do two. I go out there and do three. So that's why I'm saying, let's be able to celebrate our progress. It can be a small win, it can be a small progress, like just be able to celebrate and be able to be positive about it. Sometimes you go out there and it's a fail, but then those are the fails that are actually going to determine how much you want it, you know. If it's a fear that you really want to work on, that fail is going to test you. The fail is going to test you of how much you want it. And that's basically what I'm able to overcome and what I'm able to do with the fear that I had of talking to strangers, guys. And that's why I just wanted to make a video, guys, this year and talk to you guys on how to turn your fear into fuel. And yeah, guys, that's basically what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. And if you guys did find the video helpful, make sure you like the video, guys, for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, guys, for more educational and inspiring content by Justin Vigera, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Peace.